Okay. Brago test. Ito yung fastest na pwedeng mag-pop off si Brago with the absolute best hand that I could keep. Okay. Pre-game, Leyline of Anticipation. Untap, up. Okay. Turn 1, draw card. Play. Seachrome Coast. Tap for Soul Ring. Tap Soul Ring for Arcane Signet. Tap Arcane Signet for Altar of the Brood. That's turn 1. Okay. Then untap. Up. Then turn 2. Untap. Upkeep. Turn 2. Draw for turn. Wait lang ha. Mali ba ako? Okay lang. Tama. Tap turn 2. Plains. Mill 1. Pass turn. End step. Dahil kay Leyline. Tap 4. Bring out Brago. Mill 1 ulit. Untap. Upkeep. Draw. Turn 3. Okay. Plains. Mill 1. And now we win. Dahil tap 2 ako for a Steonic Resonator. Mill 1. Moving to combat. Swing with Brago. Trigger. Kaya, nag-damage siya. Damage trigger. Tap 2. Activating Soul Ring. I will then tap 2. Floating 2 blue mana. 2 blue. Then, trigger ang target ni Steonic Resonator, copy niya si Brago. Tapos, ang choose niya is Steonic, Soul Ring, Arcane Signet, Altar Brood. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 permanents. Napasok sila lahat. Trigger, Mill 6. Mill 6 lahat. And then, I will net 1 mana. 1 blue mana. So, 3 blue mana na ako. So, 1, 2. Tapos ito ngayon. 3 blue. Tap ko ulit to. Activating. Copy ulit. Pasok ulit sila. Mill 6 ulit. Tap ko to. 4 na yung mana ko. I will again copy. And then I will generate say 10 million mana. With that, I will cast. Kada pasok, mag-mill sila. And then I will cast Master Zande with Flash because of Leyline. ETB, return target permanent. So, babounce ko lahat ng lupa, lahat ng creature, lahat ng nasa board, ibabounce ko. And then, pass turn. So, wala silang replay, wala silang lupa. Untap, keep draw. Mill out sila. That's turn 3. GG's.